Hello, Rachel Esley here, and in this video, I will show you how you can clone yourself so you can make your own AI avatar and you can start pumping out social media videos, YouTube videos, TikTok videos, shorts, reels, course lessons, promo videos, whatever you want. So this is so easy. I literally just did this today. This was before I got ready, well, actually, this video I actually used is a YouTube video I recorded a few weeks ago, but I was testing it out earlier when I had no makeup and wasn't really ready. And I thought it looked good, but not good enough. So I uploaded a YouTube video I had. What you do is you're going to be on here on the free plan. You get 2 credits. And basically each short video is half a credit. So you get 4 videos on the free plan. And then if you sign up for the $29 a month plan, it's 15 credits at the time of me making this video. So that's 30 videos. And what I did is I exported this horizontal video and then I edited it to be vertical in CapCut and saved myself a credit. So I saved myself like $1. Okay, so you're going to click free instant avatar.
Hey guys,
and
I'm Joshua.
You can watch this video. You can watch the video instructions, but basically you can record with webcam, but it's not going to be high enough quality in my opinion. If you don't already have an existing YouTube video of yourself talking, then record a fresh video of you talking, but you're probably better off using your phone camera or a real camera than your webcam, unless you have a really high quality webcam. I already had this YouTube video that I was working on. It's a little over 9 minutes and you need to upload, what you upload needs to be 2 to 5 minutes. So I cut it around like 4 minutes. And then I uploaded that.
So we only need to.
So you're gonna, upload a clip. Here was my clip. You're gonna mark these things off that your face is visible at all times. You don't want to upload a YouTube video that has B-roll on top of it. You're looking directly into the camera. There's pauses in between sentences. There was in mine, and the environment is well lit and quiet. It's pretty good. I did not mark off that they can use mine. And then you record a consent and it's going to give you a little script. And you're going to preview the script, read the script, and say that you declare that they can use it. So then it's just going to load a little bit. And this is what it gave me.
Hey, Rachel, your instant avatar is ready. Feel free to create videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Pretty good, because here's my original video.
In this video, I'm going to share with you some elements of good product review videos. When you make good product review videos, then you can make more money. You will attract.
So I'm already not like robotic in my video, but kind of calm in the video. All right, you can click create video, do landscape or portrait. I just did landscape, and then in CapCut, I cut a portrait version so I can put this on TikTok and Reels. And you can ask ChatGPT to give you a script. I just wrote up a script, so I am I'm just so excited to share my new AI avatar with you all. I think it looks pretty natural. I am definitely going to be making a lot of TikTok and Reels with this software. It's so easy to use. All right. I found that the 1.0 speed is a little too slow for me. The 1.5 is too fast. I think 1.3 was pretty good. Can't adjust the pitch. I do like to sound friendly in my videos. So if you are uploading a video, like if you have to make a video of yourself talking, then maybe smile in the video and talk kind of friendly, because I feel like it kind of monotones it down a bit. Also, they say use some hand movements, but keep the hand movements below chest level, which I basically did in this video anyway. I can preview the sound. I just can't preview the video until I publish it, and that's going to use a credit. And it just takes like a few moments, but not too long.
I am so excited to share my new AI avatar with you all. I think it looks pretty natural. I am definitely going to be making a lot of TikTok and Reels with this software. It's so easy to use.
I might want to move this down to like 1.2x speed. Okay, I feel like that's good enough. Maybe I should say something else. I'm going to actually ask ChatGPT to help me out. Let's open it up. Can you add on to this TikTok script? Let's see what it says. Hey everyone, I'm beyond thrilled to introduce to you my brand new AI avatar. I can't wait for you to see how incredibly natural it looks. I mean, look at this. But that's not all. I'm not just stopping at showing it off. I've got some exciting plans in store. I'll be creating loads of TikToks and Reels with this fantastic software. Trust me, it's a game changer when it comes to content creation. The ease of use is mind-blowing. Stay tuned for some mind-boggling fun and creative content coming your way. It's going to be a wild ride, and I can't wait to share it with all of you. Whatever, I'll put it in and see, like, some of it I'm going to take out the emojis. And also, if you want a longer pause, you can put like a period or a line break. I mean, look at this. But that's not all. I'm not just stopping at showing it up. I got some exciting plans in store. I don't like saying trust me, but it's a game changer when it comes to content creation. I'm going to put a few extra exclamation points. The ease of use is mind-blowing. Stay tuned for some, I'm not going to say mind-boggling, so for some fun and creative content coming your way. It's going to be a wild ride. I'm just going to say I can't wait to share it with all of you. I also have a new YouTube tutorial video showing you how. So check that out. I'll just say that. I'm just going to click. I mean, really, you should listen to it. So let's listen to it. Oops. Yeah, let's see. So you don't waste a credit. And you can also add on other credits if you use up all your credits. But it's about $1 a credit. You could have a virtual assistant do this for you. And to make it a little even more engaging, you can edit the video a bit more, add a little bit of zooming in or zooming out or some effects, some text on the screen.
Hey everyone, I am beyond thrilled to introduce you to my brand new AI avatar. I can't wait for you to see how incredibly natural it looks. I mean, look at this. But that's not all. I'm not just stopping at showing it off. I've got some exciting plans in store. I'll be creating loads of TikToks and Reels with this fantastic software. It's a game changer when it comes to content creation. The ease of use is mind-blowing. Stay tuned for some fun and creative content coming your way. I can't wait to share it with all of you. I also have a new YouTube tutorial video showing you how, so check that out.
I'm just going to remove look at this. All right, I like it. Let's submit this. I could just export it as vertical. Let's do that. I'm going to just export it as portrait anyway. I don't really need the landscape version of it because this is so short anyway. For landscape videos, I more like my videos to be like over 5 minutes like this. All right, that's pretty good. Submit. Now it's just going to take a few minutes. Okay, because this video is actually over 30 seconds, it's using a full credit. If it's under 30 seconds, then I guess it's going to use half a credit, but that's fine. 1 credit is $2. So my $2 video, totally worth it though. And I'm not ever going to click don't show again because I kind of want to know what if it's longer and it's using more than 1 credit. Although I think with the 1 credit on the plan I'm on, the creator plan, the video can be up to 5 minutes. While it's loading, it's still loading. We can go over the prices. So when you click pricing, it's automatically going to go to 30. So it'll say 59 a month, but you can just go down to 15 to lower it. 5 minutes max duration per video, 3 instant avatars. So I'll probably replace that original one I had with the no makeup. I mean, this one I made is good for a long time, although I might want to mix it up, like put on a different shirt or try to talk even more smiley or have a different background. You can also use other people's, they have other voices in here and other avatars, other people you can use. I just think they are pretty robotic. So if I need to upgrade to this plan, I can. Yeah, no matter what, it's $2 for the full credit. This one, $3 a credit, but the 1 video can be 20 minutes. So let's just say you were on like the $89 a month plan. So that would be 30, you could have 30 videos that are 20 minutes each. And in that 20-minute video, you can maybe, I know I'm like gaming the system, but you can maybe put like multiple scripts, multiple shorts, and then cut them out with CapCut and break them up. But for now, I'm on here. You can also save 20% if you go on the yearly plan. So we'll see how many videos I end up doing this month. Okay, so it took about 4 minutes, I think, and here is my video, 32 seconds.
Hey everyone, I am beyond thrilled to introduce you to my brand new AI avatar. I can't wait for you to see how incredibly natural it looks. But that's not all. I'm not just stopping at showing it off. I've got some exciting plans in store. I'll be creating loads of TikToks and Reels with this fantastic software. It's a game changer when it comes to content creation. The ease of use is mind-blowing. Stay tuned for some fun and creative content coming your way. I can't wait to share it with all of you. I also have a new YouTube tutorial video showing you how, so check that out.
Well, I mean, I can tell it's an AI bot, but it's really cool. This software keeps adding new features. Not that I need more features. I don't really see myself using the other features, but I think it's just going to be a matter of like weeks and months before it really looks so real and perfect. Also, to download, you could download the 1080p, download the original version, and then I'll just airdrop that to my phone and post it to TikTok and Reels. Okay, I will put my affiliate link to sign up for this, even if you guys are starting on the free plan, and you can also sign up for an affiliate link. And I'm excited to see your AI videos too, and maybe our AI avatars can be friends, but I hope we can also still be real friends.